Assalamu alaikum. First of all, to begin with, I would like to say thanks again for your time. I am pleased to you watching my English practice video. This is Mohd Prantwale. I am an English learner. Every day I try to practice in English around my work. Today I am gonna tell you now in this video why am I a hungry learner. Though every day I take good food, good meal minimum 3 times. Although I feel so appetite. Why is it happening with me? Let's go to explain that. Actually, in my opinion about that, and as an English learner, if I don't practice in English every day, I feel starving. This is the main problem. Actually, to be honest, this is not a issue, but also I am lucky for that habit. If I don't practice and if I don't make video every day, I feel starving. You can think this is very necessary habit for me, not only me but also all types of English learner, not only English learner but also all types of good people who would like to achieve something, who would like to learn something, who would like to be a perfectful people. This is the main key to achieve your goal. I believe that if I want to do something, though I take meal, although I feel starving, this is my main power. Every day, if I don't practice in English, if I don't read the book, if I don't listen in native English speaker speech, if I don't speak in English, afterwards I feel appetite. This is the main power for me. Actually, in this generation, many people would like to learn something, but who can't do that. Did you think any time why is it happened? Actually, you know that Steve Jobs said, if you want to learn something, you must stay hungry, stay foolish. You can think this two sentence is very tiny, but I thought this sentence is not little. This is very remarkable and very large, because this sentence is very tiny but this meaning very powerful. It's enough to change our life. The means is also I follow that rules. When I complete my everyday task, after that I feel well. I feel yes, I have take meal right now 100% perfect me. But if I don't practice, if I don't complete my everyday task, I feel starving, craving. This is my main power. So to sum up, I would like to say, if you are a young boy, if you want to achieve something, if you want to do something, stay hungry. When you will complete your task, that time you should feel well. Otherwise, never ever give up. Mercy, pray for me.